Hello there! Today we are going to make a bell. This sounds very exciting. Let's open our book and see what do we have. Well, we have 4 steps right here and they seem to be pretty easy. So let's start by making our first circle. Yes, the circle will help us make the top curve of our bell. So let's start making the circle. This is a rough drawing and hence we are going to draw it very lightly as we have to erase this later. After this, let's make these curves going outwards. Yes, just like this. And then we will start by making the sleeping line right here. Yes, connect both the curved lines like this and then make the top circle like this. Let's mark these dots and start making our sleeping line. Yes, it is going to be easier for us to make it when we have these points marked. If you feel that the line is a little slanting, make sure that you erase it and make it once again. This looks great. Let's make the sleeping line as well. That's lovely. And now we can start making this properly. Continue making this in a similar way on the other side as well. That's lovely. Let's erase the pencil marks which are not supposed to be seen now. Yes, the rough pencil marks. And after that, we will start sketching this. Take a black sketch pen and start sketching. Go right on top of the pencil marks. And now, let's make these sleeping lines together. Do not overlap 2 sketch pen marks on top of one another. Oh, we forgot to make the bottom part. So, let's make this semicircle here with a pencil first and then sketch it with our black sketch pen. And look, we are done with that. So, let's erase this part and then start coloring inside. Yes, we will start by coloring the yellow color first. Make sure that the right side or the right top corner has light falling on it. Hence, we are going to keep a white patch over there. So, do not color the entire bell, but make this white patch right here. This is great. Once we are done with the outline, we will start coloring inside in one direction. Make sure you press the color well so that we do not keep any white spaces. Continue coloring this nicely. That's amazing. Let's do the same color here as well. Color nicely in a sleeping line. And complete this entire portion. This is great. Now we are going to change our color to either ochre color or golden color. It is advisable to take an ochre color for this one. Let's do this part now. Yes, we will continue with doing the outline first and then color inside. Go very slow while coloring this. And finally, let's do the inside part of the bell. And look, our bell is ready.